In previous videos, you learned about the development of group norms and group cohesion. In this next series, you'll explore another important feature, group structure. You'll start with a description of group roles, then you'll review the socialization process, and finally, you'll cover various types of role-related stress. What exactly is a role? It's the set of expected behaviors for a specific position within a group. It defines a member's responsibilities and the expectations of their involvement. So, roles coordinate members by identifying who does what and who works with whom. As a result, roles establish interdependencies between members because they depend on each other to fulfill their responsibilities and meet expectations. Scholars categorize roles as formal or informal and as instrumental or expressive. Formal roles are intentionally created by the group and explicitly outlined for members, sometimes with an official job description. Examples include professor, student, department chair, and college dean. Informal roles, however, are not deliberately created by the group and not usually documented, like the tech expert, or the one who knows the group's history, or the person who brings snacks to meetings. According to Bales and Slater, instrumental or task roles are the positions that focus on completing the work and fulfilling the group's goals. For example, leaders give directions, coordinators gather ideas from other members, and recorders document important information. Expressive or maintenance roles are the positions that improve the quality of interpersonal relationships, provide emotional support, and maintain morale. Encouragers praise members and keep an optimistic attitude, and mediators resolve conflicts between members. Although many of us simultaneously fulfill task and maintenance roles, some of us prefer one over the other. One of the reasons roles are important to our study of group dynamics is they influence our thoughts and actions. For instance, our role may require us to think more abstractly than we normally do when we're at home with our family. Or an introverted manager may have to behave more like an extrovert when they're working. Roles also motivate us to manage the impression we make on others through a process called self-presentation. We do this by selectively sharing personal information with others, thereby maintaining a certain image. One final point is that roles tend to become more specialized over time. When new expectations are defined within a group, they're often pulled from existing roles. As a result, these positions become more specialized. This is called role differentiation, the gradual process that occurs as roles are added to the group and the scope of each one decreases.